What's up, everybody? So we got a Supra. We'll be doing a full respray on, and we'll be taking the whole thing apart. Bumpers, fenders, doors, windows, everything. We'll be doing it the right way. It's got hurricane damage, small scratches all over the car. So let's get to work. I'll be removing the rear bumper. First, what we'll do is remove the inner panels. This panel, and this panel. First, we'll have to remove this panel so we can get to this panel. So what you have to do is get these covers off. This is what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and take them off. So we got all the covers off. Now we'll unscrew all the screws. Boom. Push this forward. There you go. Easy. This side has a light, so you will have to disconnect the light. The light plug is right here. We'll go ahead and remove this panel because we have to unplug the taillights. Here are the wires for the taillights that we'll be disconnecting, and gotta push them through the hole. So we have two 10mm bolt nuts that are inside. Okay. You see one, and there's one second one below it. We got them unscrewed. Now we have to pull the taillights out because there's one more bolt behind the taillight. So what you have to do is kind of wiggle them out because they have two tabs that they're clipped into. So now we'll go ahead and unplug the tail light, and then you just have to push the wire through and take the tail light out. That's it, and we'll take the second one out. This one is a little bit harder because it has the locking. And now we have clips and the bolts that I was talking about going here one there. Now we'll take the clips out. We got all the clips out. Now we go on the bottom. The bottom, there is a 10mm nut. And then we got a clip right above the exhaust and along the bottom. So this thing, the clips are built into this whole strip. Before we actually pull the bumper off, we have to disconnect the license plate lights and push the wire through. We pushed it through, now we remove the bumper. Remove headlights. So what you have is a 10mm bolt here, and in the back there is two 10mm nuts. And now all you have to do is wiggle it out. And that's how you take a headlight out. Now we will take off the bumper cover. No clips at all. No clips, no screw. That's the plug. You have to disconnect that. Then you just pull it out slowly. It's gonna have like C-clamp metal brackets holding it. It's like a C type of clamp. When you tighten the bolt, it gets squeezed together.